Dear future soulmate, it is time to move on. Okay. Miguel. Oh!
Wow! Alright.
We should do that.
Oh yeah, the fake one.
Oh, we're back in the pit.
Oh, he's taunting! Oh, he's taunting! What is this?
Yeah!
Cocky people get owned! Ask the Swan. Okay?
How much? Wait, what did I say?
Mr. Wick!
End of the
Mr.
line.
Wick, end of the line!
End of the line, Mr. Wick.
Oh my god!
Oh shit.
Oh, right.
Oh my god!
Right up Main Street.
What the hell?
Wait.
That fucking hurt!
Hey, no, not my. No.
Sonny! Oh, Sonny! Have fun in London.
See the fall.
I'll see the fall. Bye. Thank you.
He's not gonna wave? Where is he?
He's gone. He's gone.
Next semester, Lucas will be in London. So for the first time in any of our NYU experiences, me, Evan, Day, Bruno, we won't be seeing Lucas every day. Now, if you guys remember, when I first started really YouTubing, Lucas was the first person that was in my videos. The reason most of you guys are even subscribed to this channel is because I made that Subway video, which Lucas helped me with. So, you know, we're gonna miss Lucas.
Damn. It really happened, huh?